So, yep, I just called to say I love me. You thought I was going to say I love you. No, I love me. It's all about me. It's me season, bitch. Shout out to Issa Rae. We're rolling on a river. Come on. We're rolling. Yeah. I just watched Fantasia do her tribute to the Tita Turner. It was great. Anyway, what's up, lovely people? It's a lovely day in the neighborhood. It's at night though. And I'm your lovely neighbor, Ricki. This is just a random, again, vlog that I'm doing today at work. We got all our podcast stuff in for my job, and we took it all to the podcast studio and set that up today.
Ready to go.
I mean, once we get... And today I also am doing my own podcast. Look at God. Okay, let's try this again. All right, let's hook up the microphone. I'm trying to figure all this out. I'm trying to remember how I picked up everything on here. Okay. Duh, bitch. How will I know if he loves me? How will I know? Okay. Microphone. But how do I know? Make sure. Let me make sure this is how we do it. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na. This is how we sha-na-na-na-na-na-na. Sha-na-na. All right. It's Monday night and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I pick up my 40, then I turn it up. Welcome to Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Alright, let's move this camera. Hotel California. That's better. Such a nice surprise. Bring your alibi. God, I hate this. Ugh. Anyway, living it up out in Hotel California. Come on. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely face. All right. That was my jam back in 1994. I know that's not when the song came out. That's when I played the hell out of that tape. And yes, I said tape. Because it was a tape, damn it. I'm old. Alright, not that old. Alright, I think I like it. Only thing is, I hate the wall. But, because why is this? And that don't even look like that. Maybe I need to... Oh, I forgot I had this. Oh. It's better than it was. But if I angle the camera... Huh? That's bothering me. That one. It's better. But that's all right. This is our first time we're working on it. Okay. Yay. All right. I'm doing this on my phone. I have my camera over there, but again, I can't find... It's in here somewhere. The cord. I know it is. I need a new cord. That's what I need. It's the cord that's not doing it. Yep, that is it. Ain't that about a bitch? 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 Bitch, 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 bitch. A bitch, bitch. Bitchy, 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 bitch. Okay. All right. So finally got the mic hooked up. This is so annoying. Da 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 da. Let's see. Fade away. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're broadcasting live from my office to your home or wherever you are located. And that heater is loud as HE double hockey sticks. Oh. Wait, no. No, what is. Oh, what is that noise? What is rattling? Nope. I can hear it. And it's driving me insane. Even. Oh, nope. I thought it stopped, but it's because I'm holding it. Hold on to your love. You got to hold on. And that is from the group In Vogue. From 1990, whenever. I don't remember when that happened. Yeah? No? Yeah. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I figured it out. Don't know what it was, but it stopped. Well, now that we got that out the way, we're going to take a little break. We'll be back. And I'll go back to. Well, I can't go back to black because I always been black. Hi guys, I think I have myself somewhat together. Not that much, but somewhat together. So we're getting this. Okay. I don't know if this live thing is going to be a thing because me, myself, and I don't know what we doing. But it's always a learning experience. And we're learning, we're growing, So, welcome to Thick Girl Thoughts with your girl, Ricki. I should have, you know what? Next time I'm having my intro in here because my friend Jay Del Negro sounds better when he says it. It's that nice, deep voice, and it's just like, yes. I can't go that. I can't go that low. She can go low, 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 low. The back, in the remix with the snap. Turn around and get that big booty down. Hey, she hit the floor, you know. That's how you know. Shawty got low, 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 low. She's crazy. Everything turned out fine. I did hear a little echo in the replay if you listen back to it. I did hear a little echo when I did it live, but just kinks and stuff. So I am going to try to figure that stuff out, figure out OBS. I've seen people do a lot of stuff with OBS with transitions and stuff like that and adding screenshots and stuff to it. So that's my next step, is learning OBS. And because when I worked at my other job for the school system, they had OBS already hooked up and ready to go. So I really didn't learn how to set anything up and how to do everything. So I need to teach myself, because you gotta learn. You're always learning. I learn all the time. So I'm gonna figure that stuff out. YouTube University, here I come. And just figure all this stuff out to do all my podcasts live. I mean, I'm not gonna do all my podcasts live, but do a couple maybe once or twice a month for Thick Girl Thoughts and Becoming a ... podcast, which all my podcasts are here on YouTube. So yeah, that is just a short vlog for the day. If you want to go check out I think it's like 20 minutes long. I talk about the Grammys and stuff, just stuff that just happened and I heard on a couple of podcasts I was listening to. But yeah, go check it out. I will of course have it linked somewhere up here or down there. It'll be around. I get around. Round and round, round and round. I get around. Anyway, see how I get off on a tangent? I can't focus. But anyway, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa, nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the bit.